The world of artificial intelligence is changing at a pace that feels almost impossible to keep up with. Every single month, a new tool appears on the internet that completely shifts how we think about creativity, marketing, and even day-to-day problem solving. Think about it in the past. If you wanted a professional-looking photo for your brand, you would have a hire photographer, book a studio, spend hours editing, and still hope that the end result turn out well. But today, the game has changed. Imagine you just have a few seconds like a professional product photo on a white background or a lifestyle shot in a cafe, and within a second you get a high quality image that look real enough to use on website, social media, or even ads. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. In today's videos, I'm going to show you one such AI tool that can generate images across multiple, from fashion to e-commerce product photography, from social media content to UGC ads, and even professional branding visuals. So which tool am I talking about? It is called Nano Banana Gemini model, and by the end of this video you will know exactly how to use it for your own project. But what if I told you that today you do not need any of that anymore? You do not need to hire a single model. You do not need a book an expensive studio. You do not need to find a photographer who charge you per hour, because now in just a few minutes you can create professional level photo, influencer style advertisement, aesthetic Instagram visuals, and even UGC style ads, all with the help of AI. And the most fascinating part, you do not need to be tech expert or designer or even photographer. You just need your product image and a few lines of description. That's it. This is where Gemini's AI step in, specifically the Banana AI model, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash. And today I will take you to step by step into the model. I will show you how from the comfort of your laptop you can transform your ordinary product into extraordinary visuals, ready to post on social media, ready to use in advertisement, and ready to impress your customer. And trust me, once you see how easy is this, you will never look at traditional product photography the same way again. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. It does not matter if it's Chrome, Firefox, or anything else. Type in Gemini AI and hit enter. The first result, you will see the official website gemini.google.com. Click on that link, and in just a few seconds you will find yourself on the official Gemini dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the section where you can choose the AI model. Here you need to select a model 2.5 Flash, because this is the latest, fastest, and most powerful model designed for creativity, visuals, and real-time generation. It is called Nano Banana because it's lightweight, fast, and yet unbelievable strong in producing high quality outputs. After selecting the model, go to the tool section. Here you will see many features, but the one we are interested in is called create image. Click on that, and this is where the magic begins. Let's say you own a dress brand. You have designed a beautiful woman dress. Normally you need to hire a model, rent a studio, get lighting set up, and then pay for editing. That's a long and expensive process. For the Gemini here, what you do, click on the upload image button, select the picture of the dress. It could be a simple flat lay image or just the dress. Enter your prompt and hit enter, and in a less than a minute Gemini give you a stunning image. The AI model is wearing your dress, sending a professional studio setup with proper lighting and background. No model was hired, no studio was booked, and no extra money was spent. And the image is so realistic that people scrolling through their feed, even now it was generated by AI, it looked exactly like a high budget fashion show. Now let's say you are not selling clothes, but you want visuals for an event, maybe a wedding. You want to advertise your event management business. Again, the old days, you hire a photographer, set up a big event just for the shoot, and then edit the image for a day. With Gemini you do not need any of that. With Gemini you do not need any of that. You simply tap prompt, press enter, and within a second you have a stunning wedding image that looks as if the event actually took place. Maybe your business is not about dress or events. Maybe you are not selling skincare products. You want aesthetic Instagram style photo to attract customer. Again, just tap a prompt and press enter, and Gemini create a perfect aesthetic photo that look like it belong on the feed of high-end lifestyle influencer. Let's move to another product. Suppose you are selling sneaker or heels. You want to clean product photography for your e-commerce store, or you want to a messy background. You just something professional. Enter a prompt and hit enter. Within a minute you will have a clean professional image that look like it came from a premium e-commerce store. Now you already have a photo, but you are not happy with the background. Maybe your photo is good, but the background is distracting or does not match your brand. Gemini solve this in seconds. Upload your image, enter prompt, press enter, and suddenly your background is changed within a second. And here come one of the most powerful feature, UGC or user generated content ads. These are the kind of ads that brand pay influencer for where someone show a product on camera, holding in their hands, speaking like a real user with Gemini. You do not need to pay any influencer. Just upload your product and type a prompt like this and press enter. Within a second, you have ad ready UGC style photo that look like a real influencer recorded it. And the best, you do not need to pay a single cent to an influencer. Now that you have seen it in action, it's clear just how powerful this tool really is. With nothing more than a simple text prompt, we created example across so many different categories. We started with a fashion, where clothing could be placed on a model instantly without a photo shoot. Then we moved into a lifestyle images showing everyday moments like working in a cafe or enjoying time at home. After that, we explain e-commerce example, where product like a shoes or accessories could be displayed in a clean professional style ready for an online store. And of course, we also look for user generated content for ad, which is one of the biggest trend in digital marketing right. Normally creating this variety of image would take a team of photographers, editor, a designer, but with this AI, it becomes something you can do yourself on your laptop or desktop within a second. Now I want to hear from you, which type of image did you find the most useful? Fashion, lifestyles, e-commerce or UGC? Tell me in the comment below. I read every single one, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Until then, keep creating with AI and I will see you in the next. Thanks for watching.